Hello everyone, so this is my Handmade by Abigail 12 by 12 designer sheet. I've already started, guys. I started with some Rich Cocoa Memento. Oh, is it gonna focus? There we go. Memento written Rich Cocoa, and I'm using this little flower stamp from this set from Doodlebug, and it's called You're Sweet, and I'm using this flower here. And yeah, so I'm just finishing up. I had an idea about what I wanted to, just having a look for the bit of paper that I was using to do the edges, and I can't find it. See if I can find a bit of there's a bit of scrap paper, just so I could do the edges. You can't see there, but just down here. And then I'll talk while I'm stamping. So I'm just finishing up stamping the whole entire sheet. So what I had an idea, well, basically I was watching I'm not sure who it is. If I can find who I was watching on YouTube, I'll link their video down below. But they were making a box to hold chocolates, and it was like an envelope box, and they made it on their envelope punch. So I thought I'd give it a go with my designer sheet. Hopefully I've got the right measurements. So what I thought was, the envelope box that they made has a belly band. So I thought if I keep the background paper kind of neutral and then have a pop of colour on the belly band, then I thought that would be a good idea. So that's what I'm going to be making, and obviously sharing with you guys. So I did think about many different ways that I could, I don't know, design this sheet. I did try out on some scrap paper. Do I have it to hand? I don't think I do. I don't know what guys, I don't know what I'm doing with all these things. But I did try out some scrap paper, different ways. Sorry, I'm bumping you. Some different ways of stamping. I was gonna actually do the flowers in a different color. I tried to do the flowers and the leaves in a different color, but in the end I just opted for doing this stamp in a neutral color and add some gold gilding flakes. Do you remember these, guys? I got in a bundle. Was it a bundle? Yeah, it was a bundle, wasn't it, from Hunky Dory, I think. And I thought, I'll tell you what I thought actually, guys. I thought of the Ferrero Rocher packaging, which is that rich dark brown with the gold. And with Mother's Day coming up, I thought, yeah, that just seems to fit really well with doing something for Mother's Day. So let's move that out of the way. Once I have finished stamping this sheet, I think a few more over here on this side, and maybe down the bottom and to the side, I think, and then we will be finished. Now the thing is, I haven't had very much experience with gilding flakes at all. So I did do a bit of research as to how to adhere them to the paper, and there's lots of different ways, but the way that I was thinking of doing it was using one of those glue pens, because I don't know, I was going to do the center of the flowers gold. That's what I was thinking. And then, or the other option, guys, was to do bits of gold all over in between. I'm not sure what I want to do yet, but what I might do, because I can't find the pen, guys. I can't find the little glue pen. I've tried, I've looked. It's a really thin, small little pen, and I cannot find it anywhere. So I'm either going to have to buy another one, which I don't want to do because I do already have one. And or I'm actually kind of veering towards the idea of using the gold sporadically, maybe like brush strokes all over the page. I don't know, what do you think? I'm saying what do you think, but probably by the time you've watched this, guys, I've already decided on what I'm going to be doing. So yep, I've done that one there. Let's do another couple off the page down here. So even with this little stamp, I think it's really cute. I think it's a really cute floral stamp. I could watercolor them in. I could alcohol marker them. So many different options, guys. But I'm going to leave it neutral because I have an idea that I want, as I said, the belly band to be colourful. So I think one more down here and then that will be it. So as I said, there was quite a few different ways I saw of adhering the gilding flakes, but I'm just going to use some glue. You could use it in just some wet medium and things like that, but I'm going to use glue. I'm going to use, because it's just what I've got to hand, guys, I'm going to use a paintbrush to brush it off. And I have one to put the glue on. I've got these two brushes, guys. These are just a couple of brushes from the, actually they're both, say they're size 8, but I know they're from 2 different packs of the Lidl brushes, because these are got really long handles and this one's got a really short one. So I bought them at different times. I just got this. It's a little lid, guys. I don't know, from something or another. So guys, actually, you know what, scrap what I just said. I've got some matte medium. I don't know, it probably, this should adhere the gilding flakes, okay? It's quite runny because what it was, they watered down the glue that they had in the video that I was watching. And this is already quite wet and runny. So let's just try it and see what happens. Let's put it over here. Oh, okay. It just reminds me of Ferrero Rocher, guys. Oh, is it gonna go on? I should have done section by section. Okay, let's put a little bit on. Can't actually see what I'm doing. So we'll just do, we'll go over here. So guys, this is the finished product. I just wanted a few hints, as you can see, of gold, and I've just kept it really neutral. I don't know, what do you think, guys? Should I add color? Maybe I might color in some of the stamped images, but I'm just not sure. I'm thinking to keep it plain. Let me know, guys. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Should I color in the images? Should I leave them plain? Anyway, this is my Handmade by Abigail designer sheep for now, possibly. Yeah, so I'm really happy with it, and I will be back to show you what I make with it. So guys, don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, or press the subscription button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye.